Let me tell you one story. Exactly 1 year ago, I was so skinny and underweight because I had some sort of health issues, and that's why it was too difficult for me to gain some weight. But it was so embarrassing situation for me, and trust me guys, I had no self-confidence at all. I used to feel so insecure about my body because my friends used to ask me a lot of questions like why I'm skinny, why I'm not gaining weight, why I'm not eating anything, and because of all those questions I used to feel so bad, and it was so embarrassing situation for me. Trust me guys, I used to feel so bad. So are you facing this kind of problem? Then don't worry, watch this video because today I'm gonna give you 8 life-changing fashion tips for skinny girls that will help you to change your life. So just relax and watch this video. Let's start. So number 1, layering. Adding layers to your outfit will make you look bigger and fuller, and also it will help you to add extra volume on your body, and which is exactly what you are looking for. And trust me guys, it's so easy. So try to wear 2 or 3 layers. Like you can wear your top with your shrug, and also you can wear your shirt with blazer and jacket. So try this. Okay, number 2, add belt. Try to wear belt because it will give you a nice shape, and also it will help you to highlight your small waist area, and you will look so good. But always remember one thing guys, your belt should be small, not big, otherwise you won't look good. Okay, and trust me guys, when I was skinny I used to wear belt because it's so helpful. So try this. Number 3, full sleeves. Full sleeves are really great option for you because it will help you to add extra volume to your thin arms and shoulder, and your thin arms will look fuller and you will look so good. But always remember one thing guys, please avoid sleeveless top and half sleeves top, otherwise you will look so skinny. So please avoid it. Okay. Number 4, bright colors. Feel free to choose any kind of bright colors, but don't go for dark colors like black, blue, navy or any other shades of dark colors, otherwise you will look more skinny. So I suggest if you wanna look wider, then go for neutral colors or bright colors, then you will look so good. And trust me guys, this is really good. So try this. Okay, but please avoid black, especially because black, if you wear black then automatically you will look more skinny. So please avoid it. So number 5, prints. If you like to wear prints, then go for bigger prints, and it will help you to create an illusion and you will look fuller and bigger. But don't go for small prints, otherwise you will look more slim and more skinny. So please avoid it. Okay. Number 6, right fit. Right fit is really important because if you wear too tight or body hugging outfit, then you will look so thin, and if you wear loose and oversized outfit, then you will look so bad. So please avoid it and try to wear proper fitted outfit, not too loose and not too tight. Okay. Next, designs. Designs are really important for you. Like if you wear ruffle top or frills top or off shoulder top, then it will help you to add extra volume to your bust area, and also you can use scarf that will help you to look fuller. But please avoid tank top or body hugging top or any kind of body hugging dresses and tube top, otherwise your upper body will look so slim and ultimately you won't be able to achieve hourglass figure. So please avoid it. Okay. Next, short dresses. If you want to look sexy, then don't wear long maxi dresses or knee length dresses, otherwise you will look so slim. So please avoid it. So try to wear high waist skirt or thigh length dresses. Also you can try flowy dresses and skirt that will help you to add extra volume to your hip areas, and you will look sexy and you will look fuller. Okay, so do that, but please avoid skin fitted skirt, otherwise you will look so skinny. So please avoid it. Okay, so now you got your solution. So follow all those tips and you will look so good, so sexy. And do let me know in my comment section that which tips you will follow. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel because my next video will be so interesting. So wait for that. And also I would like to suggest you one thing guys, please gain some weight, because being underweight, it's not a good thing. You may have to face some health issues. So please gain some weight and do some diet and workout that will help you to gain some weight, and you will get results you will become more healthy. Okay, and also I gained some weight. That time I was 47 and now I am 50 and I have lots of self confidence. So follow that and do subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. Okay, so bye.